In this video, I'm going to be sort of just wrapping up and concluding sort of this high-level light version of understanding mindscaping. So again, I just wanted to reiterate the importance of looking at mindscaping as a process, right? These are a set of steps that you can break down and look at to sort of continually improve the situation that you're in, right? It's not a perfect guarantee to being happy 100% of the time, but it is a step-by-step framework that you can follow to break down the sort of pieces. Now, I know in this sort of high-level overview of the different pieces of mindscaping, I didn't go into a lot of the really specific exercises and actions that you can take, but I will be making another course that's really in depth. And there is also the actual book itself, which includes all these different exercises. The reason that I don't have it in this high level sort of course is because there are a number of different ways that you can do these things, and it's far more important you understand the strategy as opposed to the tactics, right? It's far more important you understand the high level ideas, and then you can find exercises or you can pick up some of these other resources. But the specific actions, there are many that can potentially work for you. In the same way that there are many goals that can feed a value, there are many different ways that you can potentially go through these steps. So for example, in creating a blueprint, you can do that by listing out sort of your values as individual words. You can do that as sort of a mission statement. There are a bunch of different ways to do that. Those will all be in the larger course, as well as those are already in the book. So I won't, continue rattling on here. If you want to check that out, you're more than welcome to. It's called Mindscaping, same as this. Overall, I just wanted to say thanks for watching these videos and paying attention. I hope that they are able to help you a little bit to just sort of think about how your mind and your life can be looked at as sort of a landscape that you're working on. And I've just found personally that it's a really useful metaphor for helping me to put the work together in a way that's actually useful to me and be able to sort of see the fruits of those labors in a way that is productive. That's all I've got, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please take a second to subscribe, as it really helps out a lot. If you're looking for more content, there's all sorts of information over at howtohappy.com. And if you want something a little bit more condensed and concise, I've also written the book Mindscaping, which is essentially a framework for optimizing happiness. So we'll have the link there as well. And that's all I've got. Thanks again. I'll see you next time.